Yeah, today we are installing this 360-degree camera for this LCI G20. Yeah, the front camera, the camera module. Yeah, and the rear camera. You see, we remove the rear camera, and it will be replaced by the 360-degree camera. Okay, so interior is like this. Okay, this is the 4 cameras. Okay, original. Brand new. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 2 camera bracket inside the mirror bottom cover. Okay, original. Let's take a look the front one. Yeah, this is the front camera cable. Will be mounted over here. Yeah, the front grille is here. You can see the bracket is already ready for the front camera. So later the camera will be mounted over over here. Okay, you can see the back side. Okay. Drill a tiny hole, then it will be nice. Yeah, the wiring goes from the front camera and then go inside the you can see go inside the cabinet. Yeah, we have done this 360-degree camera. Okay, the camera is over here. Yeah, you can see the front camera. And this side, driver side. Yeah. Reverse camera still there, same. And we will check how it works. Let's start the engine, right? Okay, the system is booting up. This is ID8.5.
Program to other areas.
Yeah, this is a 360-degree camera over here. You can see, right? If you want to see the 3D view, you can use this one. Okay. You can see this one. Quick access, right? You can click the 3D view, then rotate by this one. Just rotate. Okay. You can see the surrounding camera like this way.
North Sumatra and West Java. The health ministry says at least 95% of children need to be vaccinated to achieve herd immunity against measles. To curb the spread, the government is ramping up immunization drives while also rolling out supporting measures, improving nutrition for children.
Okay, let's see if we reverse how it works.
To prevent severe infections and running public education campaigns about the disease. In Sumeneb, local officials believe the recent outbreak there was partly the result of falling immunization rate during the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, during that time, many parents struggled to get their children vaccinated because health clinics were closed or short-staffed.
HD.
Strikes on Gaza have prompted tens of thousands across Australia to march
In the same time, we still can rotate.
Rallies were held in Sydney, Melbourne,
Like this way.
and
Sorry,
dozens of
cannot be
other
too
cities across
fast.
Australia.
You can press this button to turn on this 360-degree camera. Then you can click to the 3D view, or you click this 3D view, then rotate like this way. Okay. So you can see clearly anywhere in the corner or in the whole around every corner of your car. So
another $23.6 million in aid for Gaza.
okay, like this way. Okay, rotate. You can see he found out some parking lots over here, right? Yeah, we move to the rear end. Okay, we can also move to the front end. Okay, so you can see clearly in front of your car what is wrong.